Hello amazing students! Let's have a look at how to approach and structure short answer responses. This type of response is suitable for comprehension assessments, including the comprehending section of English exams, where you'll typically be asked to comprehend and analyse unseen, written and visual texts and to respond concisely. The very first step is to carefully read and break down the question. This will help guide your reading of the text itself. In English, questions will always have a what and a how. The what is related to the text content, such as the main ideas and concepts. In comparison, the how is related to the actual construction of the text, such as the techniques and devices used. Once you've determined your what and how, read the text carefully and annotate it accordingly. Now let's move on to how to structure and write your response. You want to start your response with a very specific one-sentence intro that clearly states a specific what and a specific how. Do this by using the keywords from the question itself. This will help keep you really focused. Make sure that you're really specific in this sentence. You don't have time to be vague in this type of response. Actually define what idea you're going to explore and actually name the techniques and devices you're going to discuss. You then want to move straight into as many seal paragraphs as you need to explain your answer. Start with a clear topic sentence and then build on it using multiple examples and detailed explanations. And always make sure that you're linking your discussion back to the question. As you don't get marks for structure in short answer responses, no conclusion is required. Some final tips to keep in mind are to integrate shorter quotes from the text, as you don't have time to write longer ones. Aim for roughly 300 words per response, and manage your time wisely by splitting it equally between questions. Lastly, remember to practice regularly, as this is what makes the biggest difference. Good luck, and always remember that I believe you can do this.